In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to n8n. We'll create a custom function in Zoho CRM that sends record data to an n8n workflow. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to Zoho CRM, and if you're using a webhook in n8n, have that URL ready. Start on the homepage of Zoho CRM. Look at the top bar and click the Setup gear icon. This opens the settings area where we'll configure our integration. Inside Settings, go to Developer Hub, then choose Functions. This is where you create Deluge functions that run from buttons and other triggers inside your CRM. Click Create Function. In the Create dialog, enter a clear display name and set the function name to send to n8n. Naming matters because it helps you find and reuse the function later. For placement, select Button for this example. A button is perfect when you want users to trigger the sync from a specific record. When that's set, click Create to open the editor. Now type the script that will connect Zoho CRM and n8n. The general idea is to collect the fields you need from the current record and send them to your n8n webhook using an HTTP post. In Deluge, you can build a map of key-value pairs, convert it to JSON if needed, and use an invokeUrl call to post the data. Be sure to set the content type header to application JSON and only include the fields your workflow actually uses. If your n8n endpoint requires authentication, add the appropriate header value securely, and avoid hard-coding secrets. It's also a good practice to include basic error handling so the user gets a friendly message if the call fails, and a confirmation when it succeeds. Keep your payload small and consistent so your n8n workflow is easy to maintain. When you're happy with the script, click Save. Finally, click Close to exit the editor. From here, the function is available in your Zoho CRM and ready to use as a button, so users can trigger your n8n automation right from a records page. That's it. Your Zoho CRM can now hand off data to n8n for flexible automations. If this was helpful, try it in a sandbox first. Log any errors returned by the webhook, and iterate on your field mapping until it's dialed in. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.